Lily! Hey guys, today we're going to make a miniature dog walk so you can do some DIY agility at home. I'm really excited because I found like 90% of the supplies at the Dollar Tree, so this is going to be a more inexpensive project for you. I'm not so sure about the larger dogs. This might not hold their weight, but for the smaller dogs, you should be good. So let's get started. I bought 6 of these little miniature crate looking organizer things. They were by the kitchen supplies and like all the Tupperware stuff. They were like in that section of the dollar store. And then I got 5 floor mats. They look like they'll have some nice grip. We're going to staple gun these down. Some tool hooks. Excuse you, Miss Bella. And then the last thing that you're going to need that obviously you can't get at the dollar store would be some wood. I bought, they're 6 feet long and they're 10 inches wide. I'm going to make my dog walk to be about 4 feet wide on top. So, for the 1 6-foot board, I'm just going to cut 2 feet off. And then for the 2 angled sides that go up, those are each going to be 3 feet long. So I'll just cut one of the boards, boom, right in half. Alright, I got my wood cut. So now I'm going to cut these floor mats. I'm going to cut them in half. So 1 floor mat will cover 1 4-foot piece of wood. So I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Alright, I just got everything stapled down. And if you're going to do this project to my measurements, then you do not need to buy 5 mats. I bought 5 full mats. You should only need 4. All of these were covered with 4, and then I've got some extra scraps left over right there. Now the next part is we're going to use these hooks, and essentially what I'm thinking is this flat part is going to go onto the back of the wood, and then the hooks are going to hook into the holes in the crate, and that's how the ramps are going to stay in place. Here's what it looks like with the hooks on. Now, because these are so pliable, probably because they're from the dollar store, I'm going to stretch these ends out, and I'm going to manipulate them enough so that they hook into these holes. So now the side ramp is hooked on. Okay, ready for the grand reveal? Ta-da! There it is in all its glory. A DIY mini dog walk. So, we'll see how it works. I added some bricks in the crates just to try to help hold it down a little more. I haven't had the dogs go on there, but I thought adding a little weight to those probably couldn't hurt. And the cool thing about this is if you wanted to make this a little shorter, you could remove 1 or 2 of these, and it'll be lower to the ground. In case you've got a dog that's a little bit scared, you can kind of take it level by level. So I'm excited, and I'm going to see if I can get any of the dogs to try this out.
Good job. Yes. Very good, Will.
Nice. Oh, traffic jam on the dog walk. Good job. Alright, so that's all I've got for today. I hope that was helpful. If you have any suggestions, let me know, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Say goodbye!